don't you get taught it like that? What? And that's the way it is. If you really think about it, times aren't that bad. The one that brings with successes will make you glad. Stop playing, start praying, you won't be sad. It's like that. What? And that's the way it is. When you feel your failure, sometimes it hurts. For a meaning in life is why you search. Take the bus of the train, try the school of the church. It's like that, and that's the way it is. Here's another point in life you should not miss. Do not be a fool who's prejudiced, because we're all written down on the same list. It's like that. What? And that's the way it is. You know it's like that, and that's the way it is. Because it's like that, and that's the way it is. You know it's like that, and that's the way it is. Because it's like that, and that's the way it is. You know it's like that, and that's the way it is. Because it's like that, and that's the way it is. You know it's like that, and that's the way it is. Because it's like
Now, do we have any Friends fans out there? Because if you do, you will like this tune. You might remember it. It was the theme tune to Friends. To be honest with you, I didn't really watch Friends. It wasn't my bag, really. I don't particularly like Americans. Never have done for some reason. I think it was George Bush. I think he put me off them forever. But anyway, this is a decent tune. It's the Rembrandts with I'll Be There For You.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you broke. Your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to fall, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too.
getting the word nonce.
A great philosopher once wrote,
Naughty, naughty, very naughty.
He's got a bit of sweet face and he goes by the name of Ebenezer Good. His friends call him Easer and he is the main geezer and he vibe like the place like no other man could. He's refined, he's sublime, he makes you feel fine, but very much maligned and misunderstood. But if you know Easer, he's a real crowd pleaser. He's ever so good, he's Ebenezer Good. You see that he's mischievous, mysterious and devious when he circulates amongst the people in the place. Once you know he's fun and something of a genius, he gives a grin that goes around face to face to face. Backwards and then forwards, forwards and then backwards. Easer is a geezer, he loves to muscle in. That's about the time the crowd has shout the name of Easer and he's conjured in the corner laughing by the bass bin.
Easy good, easy good. He's up and easy good, easy good, easy good. He's up and easy good, easy good, easy good. He's up and easy good, easy good, easy good. He's up and easy good. He's up and easy good.
Has anyone here got any beers? Lovely. He's a good leading light of the scene, know what I mean? He created the vibe, he takes you for a ride, and this is by design. The party ignites like he's coming alive. He takes you to the top, shakes you all around and back down. You know as he gets mellow, then as smooth as a groove that is making you move. He glides into your mind with a sunny hello. A gentleman of leisure, he's there for your pleasure, but go easy on old Easer, he's a love you can lose. Extraordinary fella like Mr. Punchinella. He's the kind of geezer who must never be abused. When you're in town and Ebenezer is around, you can sense the presence in the sound of the crowd. He gets them all out. The party starts rocking, the people get excited, it's time to shout loud.
Easy good, easy good. He's up and easy good, easy good, easy good. He's up and easy good, easy good, easy good. He's up and easy good, easy good, easy good. He's up and easy good. He's up and easy good. He's up and easy good, easy good, easy good. Easy good, easy good. He's up and easy good.
Got any salmon? Sorry.
Easy good, easy good. Easy good, easy good.
Oh, what a carry on.
Easy good, easy good. Easy good, easy good. He's up and easy good. He's up and easy good.
Oh, what a carry on.
Easy good, easy good.
He's a cunt, he's a cunt. I reckon oh shit, am I back on? Right, okay, bit of an owl classic for you. We're going to give you a bit of Paul McCartney with We Can Work It Out. Any song requests for later, guys? Do get them in the inbox on our Facebook page and we will do our utmost to get them on. We've got a fucking massive 1 TB hard drive here with loads of music on it, so chances are we've got it. If we haven't got it, we'll play it through YouTube. So either way, we've got it. Right, Paul McCartney, We Can Work It Out.
Try to see it my way. Do I have to keep on talking till I can go on? Why do you see it your way? And the risk of knowing that our love may soon be gone. We can work it out. We can work it out. Think of what you were saying. You can get it wrong and still you think that it's alright. Think of what I'm saying. We can work it out and get it straight or say goodnight. We can work it out. We can work it out. Life is very short and there's no Try to see it my way. Only time will tell if I am right or I'm wrong. While you see it your way, there's a chance that we might fall apart before too long. We can work it out. We can work it out. Life is very short, and there's no time for fussing and fighting, my friend. I have always thought that it's a crime, so I will ask you once again. Try to see it my way. Only time will tell if I am right or I'm wrong. While you see it your way, there's a chance that we might fall apart before too long. We can work it out. We can work it out. Dun, 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 dun.
Right, for any Noel Gallagher fans, you're going to love this next tune. Listen Up live. I think if you are a diehard Noel Gallagher fan like myself, you would have seen them playing this at the Albert Hall. It was one of them you just watching and you're going, wow, that just sounds amazing. It is live, guys. It's Noel Gallagher with Listen Up tunage. A bit of an obscure one, but still a massive tune.